Hmm. Oh. You hear something?
Oh.
The phone. Hello?
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want.
Uh-huh.
If you are looking for ransom, I can tell you my money. But what I do have are a very particular set of skills.
Yeah, he's here. It's for you, Snuffy.
Oh.
Just a second. Here, Snuff. Gee, isn't that nice? You're getting a phone call.
Hello?
Skills I have acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you. I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
I'm gonna lie down and take a nap.